The school bell rang at exactly 12 a.m. But the school was locked, or it was supposed to be. A neighbor across the street heard the bell, then saw the front doors open by themselves. Security was called, but when they checked the cameras, every hallway was empty. Except for one, there was a tall, thin shadow. It floated, didn't walk, and as soon as it passed the science lab, all the classroom doors unlocked. One by one. Click, 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 no alarms. No windows broken and nothing was stolen. Except a single test paper from room 3B. The name on the paper? A student who died last year. Comment midnight bell if you're brave enough to stay after class and then sub before the bell rings again.